Yes, my people, good day, Benz Life. This is where the battery is located on this S550. But did you know there are two batteries in here? So when you need a battery, those of us thinking about getting your S550, we know we have one battery and some of them in the trunk and some up front. But always remember, say it's more than one battery these Benz use. Them have two. Them call this the auxiliary battery. And check it out now. This is where me charge you 1 hour labor for putting your battery. Because your battery located round there, so somewhere out there. Look, you see that little piece of blue? Where you see right there, sir? See if you recognize the blue. Yeah. So, all right, up under there, so somewhere. Yeah. Benz life, boy, let me tell you. Working up underneath the dash is not one of my most favorite things to do. I am not as young and limber as one time, so a kneeling pad and a drop cloth is most necessary. Just remove them screws, it's like 3 of them and 2 push pins. Not push pin, but yeah. And there's the battery right there. One of these bolts might be holding it, you know. And I am now moving the battery. So that bolt definitely. Learn something every day. So boom, take that out. Reach under now. This is what we're trying to get to. So that one bolt was just holding it. So we just slide this out now. Boom. This is the done one. And slide in back the new one. Yeah. Need 2 hands for that though. Yeah man, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bless. Yeah.